Hello knitters, Barbara Benson here. I am an independent knitwear designer who also likes to make videos here on my YouTube channel, Watch Barbara Knit. We have a 5-min knit video here for you, and it is a request from, I have it in my little pink book, Judy, and she wanted to see how I do the KFYOB, which is knit front, yarn over, knit back. It is a 2-stitch increase. It takes 1 stitch and turns it into 3. It requires you use a stitch to make stitches as opposed to a lifted increase, which makes ones out of nowhere. I have also included the KYOK, which is knit yarn over knit into 1 stitch, which is also a double increase that is very similar, but I wanted to show you guys how they were different. So here we go. First we will knit front, yarn over, knit back, which is abbreviated KFYOB. So you knit into the front leg, but do not let that stitch come off your needle. You yarn over, I keep it on the needle with my finger, and then you knit through the back loop, which is inserting your needle through this back loop right here. You can see it, it's on the back of the needle. Yarn over, wrapping your yarn, and then there. So you've got 1, 2, 3. We've made 3 stitches where previously there was only 1. Let's do that one more time. Knit front, yarn over, see the back, there's that back leg, knit back. Oops, missed it. And this is why, see how I'm holding that yarn over? Because sometimes it could want to get away from you. There we go. Make sure you pull them all down onto your, get off the taper and onto the barrel so you can tighten it down. Very similar to knit front, yarn over, knit back is knit front, knit, yarn over, and then instead of knitting through this back loop, you just knit through that same stitch again. So again, we're turning 1 stitch into 3. It's slightly different technique. Let me show you that one more time. You knit into the stitch, do not let it fall off, yarn over, knit into the stitch. We have made 3 out of 1. Now, I have done it a little bit and I'm working on this big yarn so that you could see this better. If you go down here, this right here is knit front, yarn over, knit back. This is the knit front. This guy right here is the yarn over, and this is the knit back. You can see that by knitting back, you get this bar. And I use this stitch frequently in edging along the selvage, because I feel it maintains the garter selvage better than this right here is knit, yarn over, knit into the same stitch. And you can see that since you got the knit, and this is the knit, that's the yarn over, and that's the knit. And you can see it, they all just go in and you don't have that bar. So this works really good when you're in a field or working a lace pattern. I tend to use this in a selvage. I hope you found that informative and you now understand these 2 double increases better. They're fun stitches to incorporate into your knitting. If you like this video, please click the like button. And if you would like to be notified whenever I upload a new video, please subscribe to my channel and select notifications. If you have any requests for a 5-min knit video, please let me know in the comments below or come over to our Facebook group. Check in the description below and you'll find a link to all of my knitwear patterns and the Facebook group. Thank you so much.